Is your website database limit has been reached. So don't worry, you don't need to get panic. So I will tell you how you can solve this issue. Might be you are watching so many videos for it in YouTube, and you are reading article for about this, and you are not getting solution for how to optimize website database limit. So let me explain you everything. First, you need to know what hosting plan you are using. For example, you are using from hostinger premium plan. So there is you have less limit of database size, and if you are using business hosting, so you have bigger size limit. If you are using cloud hosting, so you have more hosting. So let me explain you how you can solve this. It easy. If your website in WordPress, so let me tell you how you can solve this issue. Go to your WordPress website and plugin and add new plugin, and here you need to search for WP optimize. WP optimize. Just search for WP optimize plugin, and first one, this one, you can active. And when you will active this plugin, so you will get here plugin. So here you can go database, and when you will click on database, here you will see so optimize option for select all and run all selected optimization. Then you are suddenly your this issue will be fixed easily in simple method. You just need to do this, nothing more. Otherwise, if you are still having this issue, maybe you are using premium hosting. Yeah, there is limited limit in your hosting. So otherwise you need to upgrade your hosting plan, so you can fix this issue. There are two another method to solve this issue if you are still facing after that. So I will tell you this two method how you can solve this. So this will first, I am 100% sure your problem will be solved after doing this. Otherwise, if you are still facing this kind of issue, so just comment down. I will make video, yeah, give you solution for this.